Welcome back to my kitchen, pizza lovers. Today I'm bringing you something unbelievably epic. A delicious veggie pizza without cheese, mayo, yeast, or even an oven. Yes, you heard that right. We're about to create a masterpiece using flatbreads or tortilla wraps as our base. Imagine the crispy charm of a tortilla pizza. So thin, so crispy, and so incredibly easy to make. With an array of colorful veggies and a vibrant kitchen backdrop, let's dive right in and start cooking. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need flatbreads or tortilla wraps, your favorite veggies like bell peppers, tomatoes, spinach, and red onions. Don't worry about being strict. Use whatever veggies you have on hand. For the sauce, we're opting for a simple tomato sauce, though pesto or any other spread works beautifully too. To bring out those tantalizing flavors, grab some Italian seasoning, garlic powder, a pinch of salt, and pepper. Optional toppings like olives or jalapenos are perfect for adding a twist. It's your pizza creation after all. Now let's begin with our base. Lay out your flatbread or tortilla. This will be the foundation for our masterpiece. Spread a generous amount of pizza sauce, making sure it covers the base evenly without drenching it. You can get creative here. A spatula works great, but using your hands adds a fun, personal touch. Once your base is perfectly sauced, it's time to prepare the veggies. Grab your cutting board and let's get slicing. Start with the bell peppers, slicing them thinly. Dice the tomatoes. Shred some fresh spinach and slice those red onions. This is where you can get the whole family involved. Kids love helping in the kitchen. Just remember to supervise closely. Don't be afraid to get playful. Even if you drop a tomato or struggle with the knife, it's all part of the fun and makes for some great bloopers. With the veggies all prepped, it's time to layer them onto the pizza base. Start piling them high. There's no wrong way to do this. Bell peppers, tomatoes, spinach, and red onions. The more colorful, the better. This medley of veggies not only looks amazing, but packs a punch of flavor and nutrition. Everyone loves a vibrant, veggie-loaded pizza, right? Finally, top it all off with herbs and spices. Generously sprinkle garlic powder for that zesty kick, and some Italian seasoning to give it that classic pizza aroma. Add a pinch of salt and pepper to taste. If you have any optional toppings like olives or jalapenos, now's the time to throw them on. This final touch will elevate the flavors, making every bite a burst of deliciousness. There you have it. A cheeseless, mayo-free, yeast-free, and oven-free veggie pizza that's not only easy to make but incredibly fun and satisfying. This pizza is perfect for any occasion. A quick lunch or a fun cooking project with the kids. Enjoy your epic veggie pizza, and remember, cooking is all about having fun and getting creative. Happy pizza making!